What's up, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you again. And today I'm going to show you something very simple, something you can prep ahead of time, something you can put in your meal preps, and so on. Poached chicken, baby. Chicken breast, that is. Let's make it. We got some celery, we got some carrots, of course we got our chicken, and we got 4 cups of chicken broth. We got kosher salt, pepper, and some thyme. Now, I didn't have any peppercorns. I recommend you use peppercorns. I'm not using too much salt because what I am poaching this chicken for is for other recipes. So you guys make sure you stick around to the end. I'm gonna let you know what those recipes going to be, and I'm gonna let you know when they're going to be posted. All right, let's get to this juicy, moist, delicious poached chicken. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start by just getting our chicken in our pot. Let's go ahead and add our kosher salt, our thyme, and our black pepper. And like I said, I don't have any black peppercorns. That's what I would recommend. And also, you guys can use whatever herbs, whatever seasonings you like. It's on you. All right, let's get our celery, herbs, seasoning, vegetables. It's up to you. You want to use rosemary, thyme, which I have in there. I just don't have any thyme springs, so we're gonna go with what we have. Now that we have our seasoning in there, we have our celery and our carrots. Let's go ahead and add our 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. So let's just make sure our chicken is covered as such to medium high heat. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna flip them over, put a lid on it, and then we're gonna turn the heat off. And we're just gonna let it cook from the residual heat that's in the water already. All right, let's bring this water to the boil. As you can see, we're boiling exactly how we need to be. So let's go ahead, get our chicken. Let's just finish getting the rest of these flipped. Some big old chickens. Lord. There we go. Now we're just gonna cut our heat off. Put a lid on it. And just like that, family, we all done. We are all done. Check us out. If I can grip it, get out the way. There we go. There it is. It's that moist, juicy, yeah, poached chicken breast. All righty. All right, let's cut into this boy and see what we got. Chicken, baby. Yeah, that boy can cook. And like I said, family, I am poaching this chicken. This video, if you're watching this, today is Monday. I'm gonna have a video come out Wednesday. It's gonna be a chicken pot pie. Very easy chicken pot pie. Quick and simple chicken pot pie. Then Friday, we're gonna hit you with the, let's see. Let's do chicken noodle soup. In case you got the sniffles, you know, coming down with a little cold or something, I got a chicken noodle soup recipe for you. And Sunday, good old Sunday, we're gonna make that one and only chicken and dumplings, baby. Yeah. So stay tuned, stick around. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Even hit that notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it, and you'll know when these recipes are dropping. Yeah. All right, like I said before, that is it. That is all. And when it's all said and done, we are finished. See how quick, how simple that was? Yet, it's gonna be oh so delicious. It's gonna be oh so delicious. And you can use it for whatever you need to. You know what I'm saying? You can prep it ahead of time. And I said it before and I'm gonna say it again for your meal preps or whatever you wanna make it for. If you just wanna eat some delicious poached chicken that we just made, that boy can cook. Yeah, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. There we go, right there. Yeah.